Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add columns in Microsoft Planner. This is incredibly useful for organizing tasks visually and creating a workflow that matches your team's process. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your Microsoft Planner. Open a browser window and type in planner.cloud.microsoft, then hit enter. This will take you directly to the Planner login page. If you haven't already signed in, you'll be required to log in with your Microsoft credentials at this point. Make sure you have your login details ready to proceed smoothly. Once you've successfully signed in and your planner has loaded, you're ready to begin adding columns. The first thing you need to do is select the plan you want to work with. From the left navigation menu, click on My Plans. This will display a list of all your available plans. Browse through and select the one you wish to use for adding columns. Choosing the right plan is important because it ensures you're organizing tasks in the correct workspace. Now that you're on the plan overview page, look for the specific plan you wish to add a column to and click on it. This will open up the detailed view of that plan where you can see all your tasks and buckets. From here, you'll need to switch your view to board mode. Look for the board icon at the top part of your screen and click on it. Board mode is essential for working with columns because it provides a visual layout similar to a Kanban board. Here's where the magic happens. In board mode, each bucket represents a new column. Simply rename each bucket to give each column a title or name that reflects the stage or category you want it to represent. For example, you might label them as To Do, In Progress, and Completed. These column names help you and your team understand exactly where each task stands in your workflow. Once your columns are created, another thing you can do is rearrange them to suit your preference. You can rearrange these columns by dragging their bucket title and repositioning them wherever you deem fit. This flexibility allows you to create a workflow that makes sense for your specific project needs. And there you have it. You've successfully added and customized columns in Microsoft Planner, giving you a clear, organized view of your tasks and workflow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.